Hello loves, welcome to Unique Makes by Christina. Today I have another bag of Temu goodies to share with you. I do also have a Temu code. If you're new to Temu or reinstated your Temu app, you can go ahead and use the code to save some money and a $100 bundle. So let's go ahead and get into the bag. Okay, the first thing I want to share, let's go see what's in here. Oh, these are like little dead ducks, like zombie ducks almost. Look at that. These are actually pretty cool, but they do feel like more like a foam. I'm not sure. I gotta see if it will take a eye screw. But look at those. They're really light. But yeah, look at that. How awesome are these? Yeah, I have to see if it'll take an eye screw. I have to read the description. But I got those. Those are pretty cool. I like those. I got those there. I did get some more nails. Now I have tried some. I do like them. But you do gotta make sure you clean off all the oils off your fingers so that once the little tape that's in there touches the oils and stuff, they don't stick. So that's the only downside. But if you don't mind using glue to help give it a better adhesive, they're not too bad. But the little tape doesn't do the too bad. They're like regular press-on nails. Just can't have any oils. But I went ahead and got that one. And I also ordered some silver and Gundam chains. These were already like pre-done, so that I don't have to do them. Look at that. So I got those. I got it in white silver. Well, yeah, like a white silver. And I did also get it in the Gundam. Let's see what this one is. Oh, these are bead caps. It's also got some bead caps. Oh, that's different. I don't think they don't belong in there. But the little bead caps I got. So you can make either for beads or even make it for like a tassel. So I got those. I also got the chain in gold. I don't usually do the gold, but I know people do like gold, so I buy that for that. Same thing, they already links connected. So all you need to do is add your lobster clasp or whatever you want to use to hang on there. I got those. Those are gold. Another thing, I do have another clay cutter. This one is the bat. I got that one. This actually I could say. And I got this so that I could do my own cabochons. Or even charms. And then these are, I won't take them all out. Oh, these are another set of bead caps. Look at that. Another silver. And you can even make them to make little tassels also. They don't have to be actually bead caps, but these are bead spacers. Got those. I also hauled some washi tape, and this is a glitter one. Look at that. How nice is that? We got a glitter one. That's the glitter. I also hauled these cute Halloween focals. They're actually real nice. Look at that. So this one's you get, how cute are these? So you get the little pumpkin and then the ghosties. And you do get 6 of those. And these actually, I noticed some of them are small than what they look on the actual site, but these are actually a good, this is a normal size that I usually buy them. Now, these ones here are awesome. The only thing is you only get 3. And they are beads, but look at that. They do have the hole. And this is a 3-pack, and they're random, so you don't know what you get. I got the, oh, the Plague Doctor, so that's that one. You do get a ghosty. And then this is like, almost like a pumpkin head. And look at that. And this is AB shine on there. And this is the other one. Now, the one I really wanted, oh, and it broke. Yeah, it's broken. But it's this pumpkin. Look at that. How nice is that? And it did break on me. I got the pumpkin. I did get this guy. I don't know what's his name. And then I do have another pumpkin head. Now I wish I had another Plague Doctor and a pumpkin. Like I said, my pumpkin is broken. So that's perm. So this is the one I really wanted. Okay, the next thing I hauled is some stickers. I do like the package. It comes in a little clothy package. Let's look at these. These are like Gothic. Yeah. They got the little cat. You have gargoyle. A witch's broom. Got the crystal ball. This is actually really good quality. This was really like vinyl. You had a witch, another witch. That is like a window, Gothic window. You have the candle, the tombstone, another witch. Oh, there's a witch on a chair, like a perfume bottle, like a coffin. You have the clock. You have the witch and a pumpkin with a rose, like a snack, or like the coffee bar thing. You got a little jar, a witch looking in the mirror, a witch flying, and look at that one, the owl. They're real cute. I like those. Then I got another set. I think this one's like A and this one is B. So there's another witch theme. Witch and a pumpkin, like a brew. like donuts. Then you got like a clock, a bat with like a perfume, a horse with the ghosty, a haunted house, like a little drink, a cute witch, a ghosty in a mirror. You got the ghosty flying, a witch in her cauldron, you know, gravestone with the boo. That's actually pretty cute. Oh, I like this. The spider with the web. And another potion. Gothic book. That's a mixture of Halloween stuff. Like a Frankenstein. Oh, that's pretty cool. And then you got a girl, a cute girl. That's actually pretty cool. I think a lot of those are like AI type of stickers, because some of them do look weird, and I know AI does a lot of the weird stuff. The next one I have is some bowls. Now I got this because I wanted the pink and the orange and white polka dot. But this one is a mixed pack. And this shop does carry like other colors. You could buy the colors individually. But they do have navy, blue, yellow, like a dark pink, and the blue, the peach, orange, light blue, yellow, a lime, a turquoise, red. They got a variety. I want to see how they look. Okay, another thing I hauled. Now I hauled this because I do make earrings, and I would like something to display it so I could post it online to sell it. And this is basically just an earring stand, which is actually pretty nice. I love it. So I got that. Okay, I hauled a paper pack. This is like I think a carnival Gothic. Look at this. Oh wow, this is like a shine. You got the checkers. Oh, this paper feels, it's not super thin, but it's almost like a glossy. At that. Oh wow, the ghosties. The skulls. This remind me of the I want to say the 1950s type of cartoons from the old school type. Right there. Oh, look at the cats. Oh, real nice. Get the words. The bats. The vintage cat. Oh, I love, love, love. The pumpkins. Oh, look at that. Oh, wow. The eyeballs. The scary ghosties. And then you have this one. Oh, that's actually a pretty cool paper kit. Love it. And then I also hauled some more jemmies. I did get this in an orange. I believe the size. Yeah, I'm not too sure what the size are. But I went ahead and got some orange for my stash. I got that. And that is pretty much my little haul for this time. Yeah, it was a lot of goodies. So I was impressed. I do like this, but like I said, this feels almost like a foam. I don't know, it's hard to describe. It's like a foam, but thicker than a foam. But I do like it. And I'm going to see if I can make it into a charm. That's why I got it. So I'll see if that works. But yeah, if the stuff is in stock, I will put the link below. Let me know what you think about my haul. Make sure you like the video, comment, Subscribe if you haven't, and don't forget to hit the notification so you do know when I upload a video. You have a blessed day. Bye bye.